This AI tool will help you generate animated videos from your text prompt. All you need is just a laptop and an internet connection and a lifetime access. To get started with this AI tool, you just need to check out the link in the description to try for free, and if you like it, you can always pay for a one-time fee, unlike other AI tools out there that you need to pay a monthly subscription. So you can do text to animation in minutes. It gives you everything you need to create stunning scenes, characters, and narration, background music, and also complete customizable and editable text and audio. So you will get 4K resolution animation and also 3D animation. So if you want to get started with this AI tool, you can get the full tutorial from the link in description. And this tool is good for educators and teachers, especially for storytelling, especially lessons, historical events, and also marketers. So if you want to showcase your product without showing your face, you can use this AI tool. This is also good for writers. Create animated book trailers that these storylines, characters, and settings, sparking interest and anticipation among your potential readers. It's also good for entrepreneurs, for pitching your video, your businesses, and also for personal use like storytelling. So if you want access to this AI, check out the link in description, and these are how the animation looks like, and you can always do it in a way that make it personalized to fit your business and needs. So if you want to get started, I'll recommend this because it is a one-time payment and you have a free trial period. So before you even pay, you can test it to see whether it fits your need. So this AI have natural sound narration that binds with your audience. You can choose from diverse range of voices and also post stories as it is and generate story from any idea. So I'm sure you have seen stories on TikTok that have been generated by AI, and this is the best. The problem comes where people need to pay a monthly fee, but with this AI you just need to make a one-time payment. So to get started for free, check out the link in description and you will have a full-time live access to this AI. The tutorial I'll leave. Check out this video and see how this AI function.